Enriched with corn flour from Brittany, France, this liquid concealer or Anticernes from Yves Rocher is sure to brighten your eyes and perfectly merge with your skin. Hi, my name is Muniza and I make beauty related videos just like this one. So if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing and come be a part of the Sass fam. Now of the 15 shades it comes in, I got the shade Beige 150. And to apply it, you can blend it in with your finger, a concealer brush, or a damp beauty sponge like I am. And this is what the concealer looks like just on its own without any foundation and nothing on this side. For this side, I'll go in with this foundation before applying the concealer. And this is what the concealer looks like on top of a foundation and then without any foundation. I prefer it without any foundation because, as I mentioned in my first impressions video, I don't notice any creasing under my eyes. However, I am noticing some creasing under my eyes where I applied the foundation before applying the concealer, but other than that, a little bit of the concealer goes a long way. Brighten my under eyes, and one layer of the concealer gives medium to full coverage. So let's apply another layer, and this is what 2 layers look like versus just 1 layer of the concealer. Let's balance it out by applying another layer on this side as well. And this is 2 layers without a foundation and 2 layers on top of a foundation. So 2 layers gives full coverage in my opinion, although I am noticing it creasing under both my eyes now, so you definitely need to set it. But if you want to wear it for everyday wear and not set it, then 1 layer of the concealer should do the trick. Now it doesn't say how long it'll last, so I'm just checking in after 2 hours, and from afar it looks great. The concealer has blended in nicely with the rest of my makeup, and then if you look up close, you'll see that there is no creasing on either side after I set it. It's been 10 hours since I applied the concealer, and again, from afar, everything looks fine, feels hydrating and lightweight, but if I look up close, I'm just noticing the slightest bit of creasing under my eyes. My fan thoughts on the liquid concealer or Anticernes by Yves Rocher is that for 24 Canadian dollars plus tax, I'd say it's worth it, and in terms of ratings, I'll give it 4.5 stars only because it does crease and you do have to set it, but I'd still say it is long wearing because the creasing isn't that bad even after 10 hours. Other than that, it feels lightweight and hydrating at the same time. Plus, I love how it brightens my under eyes and blends nicely with the rest of my makeup to give my face a seamless look. Now another concealer that I also highly recommend is the Bright Fix Eye Brightener Concealer by Fenty Beauty, and you can click here to watch that review or here to watch any of my other videos, and I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be a part of the Sass fam.